Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, God. Oh yes, my lovely people. How not day, 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 hello. Please check, God. Check, my people. Oh, check, my people. Good evening, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening to you all, guys. Good evening to you all, good evening to you all, good evening to you all. How not say, my lovely people? How are you guys? I don't know if I turn it like this will be better. I don't know. Oh yes, my people. How not say? Good evening, my beautiful people. Comment, okay. Oh yes, good evening, my people, my people. How not say? I hope not say fine. Please, as you are coming in, please don't fail to give thumbs up to this video, my lovely people, my lovely people. Please, 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 my good people in the house. Yes, good evening, my people. How not say? I hope not say fine. Yes, my people, my people. I greet you all. I greet you all. Good evening to you all. Oh yes, my people, now good evening for our time wherever you are watching me from. Oh yes, this Vera TV program in the building. So my people, I not there. I hope not there fine. I hope not there. Now they shine as we they shine. So I'm not say shine your shine not because so as they glint as they shine. So I'm not saying a better thing and good thing, my lovely people. Please, as they come in, please I beg, don't fail to share this video. Don't fail to share this video, guys, and follow this page, like this page, my lovely people. So I greet you, appreciate you, my lord. Thank you for coming in, thank you for turning in, thank you for turning in. So my people, when I will say the ogboge matter we want to talk about today, when I want to put mouth, and then I will still play the video when this our sister Queen, when she take apologize to us, to me, to many people on social media, you understand. So I come back again because I not say 4 days ago I did the matter, then I talk on the way it be, because I not say this life is good to say the truth or where the truth be, talk on the way it be, no matter what. I know, my beautiful people, please share this video, guys. Since I've been on social media, I always stand for the truth. I always they talk on the way it be, and they always talk on as it be. No matter what, to be my friend, you are not my friend. But at a time when I still see the truth, they still they be the person 419, or like to as in like to bring that person down one kind, or like to say me will cover this person. If I see the truth out of it, I must bring it out no matter what. If I still want to bring the truth out, I'll still talk and say, don't be saying me and this person get matter when they drag. But at a time, I just want to stand for the truth. It's like when I they talk about this the movie Lolekia get what he do me, and see talk and say see where if offend me and see what she do me and tell you. Like this Kokobiri wife, that Kokobiri mama. Please share this video, guys. Share, my lovely people. Kokobiri wife. So with that time when the matter they hot, when they be say they just want to gather one person because of hatred. This life, what is from many presenters don't know. Not because of hatred they judge person, or not because of hatred they fight person. No. You understand? So that time when the matter that they gather up, they gang up that time, still try to come outside to talk the truth. Say, really? Kokobiri wife not get what he do it, but at a time I just come out to say the truth, because the way in one they carry the matter is not good. They say when two people get matter, when the third person reach there, he will try to put settlements. Not because they put fire, they spoil a more, they let everywhere they cast. No, I don't get hand from that one. So I got to bring the point out. So my lovely people, please share this video. Share. Share, my beautiful people now. Not as the glinter. Please, share. So my people now, so now say this our sister Queen Osaweni Yegazo Wege. So there is a video. No, yes, that was on live video. So people fair rights and for my word say she apologized to everybody. Of which I was very cool and fine, because either good or bad, we do always like to say the truth. And yesterday, when people they write and still tell and say, I never know truth about that. So about 2 people sent me the video yesterday after I threw on live video. So I can say, okay, my happy, you are welcome, my darling. John Kelly, you are welcome. Pretty, thank you, my darling. I welcome. God will bless you, man. So please share this video, guys. So this Queen Osaweni Erazo Wegi. So the video, people now got to send it for me because the writer for my voice that say I don't really know. So they can send it for me. 2 people can send it for me. I can't really watch and I go play and hear. Maybe many of you don't see here or many of you never see here. Please share this video, guys. If you are coming in, please don't forget to share. So when I go here, wait till this our sister talk. And I say inside last year, I still tell you when they talk about something before 3 days ago say. This Osaweni Erazo Wegi, me and she not really get waiting me, thank you. Waiting me and I really get. Or I hear the for I say this woman, I hear the verse for her. Make I bring her come, make I come match her, or make I bring her come, I don't come here. No. Many people that know me on social media, if you don't know me, I'm not near you. And if I talk for any matter, just know I want to bring the truth out. Nothing but the truth. So that time I was so surprised when this woman come after me. People come and say, ah, Vera, when you pull here, see this woman, you wanna get any issue? I said, no, me, I not get it. That time because you do that one come pass. Really, when she can't really come outside, she can't still talk and say, me and I not really get matter. Many people when she evil come they try because of ignorance, she still talk the truth. He say many people when you come begin, you know, no say some people date this social media. If they want support you, they support you with their hearts. When they'll support you with their heart, they'll just follow you really with all from the bottom of their heart. You know, anything he touch you like this, they will want fatty fat. If I say they want carry headache. You when the thing even they happen to us, you when they even they bully or they yeah for social media, this thing not go pay you the way you go take the pain now. You understand? So some people they like that. Why some people go they phone say that they follow you, they play, they say, hey, for maths, we get for maths. Maybe say they'll say, hey. You understand? So you go see some people that now maths night they day. If you see you for front, go say, I can die for you, I can do anything for you, I can stand for you, I will do this for you. You go here, they say now a better person. Now later you can't know the kind of person when it be say not be human being. But when some go there, they will really prove out to you when it be say as you talk for back, people say go they call it for back, say this person they can't fight where they fight for you, they can't stand where they stand for you, no be smart, you know, they really they stand for you with all a heart. And some go there when they go read they do and come outside, people say go they see they talk, and you understand. So that's what this lady beat to Iyore one of Paris. You understand? So that time people go very glad, they follow up people, you know, from the bottom of her heart. You understand? Queen is a nice lady, just add she mistake. You understand? So please share the video, guys. I don't get her to watch. Please share the videos if you are coming in. Please share. So she was the type of person. I still talk at the way it be, and people when they live video with me 3 days ago, they were there with me. They see and say, this Vera not really lie. I know they lie. If you still do waiting no good, I'll just still tell you. Me, I be type of person be say, I know they fear TOT the fucking ash. Not even woman like me or even on a man. I go tell her the truth. And people when really pull eye go no say now truth this Vera really they talk that time. It's like when me at Africa last day they didn't get issue. When I talk and so they do because of who couple, now because of TT they follow me. Many people think I was lying. Maybe I just want to bring out that. But when time goes on, people now got to say, Vera talk this thing. Vera, you know, it's like last 2 years, people will say, Vera talk this thing, Vera talk. I know they use Babele, they lie for person head. I know they say because me and you get what I'm doing, make I put waiting on their body for body. No, I know they do one. You understand? So when the matter can't really cast, when I say now hook up matter make Africa last day they worry me, now hook up matter make her they worry me. People think say maybe now la one bring a hook up down. When the court do it to many people, when people say come they counter, they fall and say, that means so people no one even talk. Now the people can say, Vera, you try, you really they talk this thing that time, you really they talk and that time. People now got to go they check all my video, and the one when me come they bring come outside. If you do I go cut, if you do I go cut, I'll come do take and do for my work. People come they say, no be lie, this lady they talk. You understand? So I go just talk and the way it be. People won't come let her look and because they say, this very not be person like that. So that was what happened because people they say, please share this video, guys. Because if people they say this person no good, that time when they want to spoil my name, drag my name to the mall because of hatred, because of Babele, because of jealousy. That time she now follow up and too say because they support one person and another, she too now begin follow up, begin they follow them, they do the thing. But God so kind now, Queen can't later realize say If now some people go still use price, say, wait, don't pass now after all. So he still look and say, what did she do? It's not really good. And she can still say the truth. Say, me and many people, Mama Kim, Monica, many people, when he can later get with. She and they not get problem now because of ignorance, now because of say he put another matter, people matter for head. Now waiting make her. Oh, it's a very I dream. I can't eat eba for your house. Okay, no problem. Not be only eba you go eat. Me not today eat eba. If na semona, rice, fried rice, all those kind. If you say na eba, you can say maybe. Oh, be that way, write that comment. I don't get straight to laugh. You say you can't drink eba. What do you call the reason now? I bet when I share this video, they call guys. Shut up. Shut up. Before I go wow, you get this problem. It's done. Okay. Small hit there. So please guys, share this video. Share guys, share. So please share this video, my lovely people. I beg. I hope say now later you can't eat because we soup you can't eat and I'll cry. Mommy, oh mommy Emily. Good evening, ma. Good evening, my big mommy. You too. Good evening, my big mommy. Good evening, ma. You are welcome, mommy Emily. Thank you, ma. So now, so my lovely people, wanna share this video, please. You are coming in. Please don't fail to share this video, guys. Don't fail to share. You understand? So the truth of the matter is that the lady did not come out to come outside and say, hey, if the tenant say me go come outside talk good about as he can't really talk the truth as he really be. If the tenant he go say na lie, God forbid, not be very na lie. You see? That is life. Now who don't know me when not for now go say me I not be bad person. Me not type of person will be say I get stuff and I see many of them they like people want they like to they see me finish. But at a time when it comes to truth, I stand for it because I'm the type of person who will be say I get one mind. If I not tell the truth, I not they get peace. It's I'm not they used to them. So I just still talk at the way it be. If now this one you still right, I'll still give us. This one you still wrong, I'll still talk. Come on for them. Of which that person go really know say I'm a truth or a lie. You understand? You go really know say either good or bad. Even though it's the first, you go see go reason and say either good or bad and truth. She still talk. You understand, my people? So please share this video, guys. If you are coming in, please don't fail to share. Mommy hope you are welcome. I don't share. Oh, thank you, thank you, my darling. Thank you for sharing. Please, guys, share this video, my lovely people. I will play the video when they send for me. 2 people send them for me. I'll play and I'll go here. Mommy hope, good evening, my darling big mommy. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming in. Please don't fail to share this video, guys. As you are coming in, share, guys. Share to make it reach many people. You understand? So she got to do the video. He said if they tell her for say me go talk for her own good, he said he go say na lie. He said she go say you know feel possible. You know? So I accept your apology, my darling sister. I don't have any grudges against you. I don't get anything, any evil. That's what I be. I just still talk and say that one does still pass, but at the time I got to say the truth for where it is. You understand? Because really, if they sue the staff or person like that, this social media, you for don't see we say go for don't see grow past like this. Now that go see many people for this social media. You know, guy, you go stand for the rich. They go see dust you like say tomorrow. No, I see what you like I do today. Some people there for this social media, after they don't use you climb, after you don't support the fin at the end. They say what they send you like the one where Lolekia they do they go. So after they don't use the finish, you want to say whether he called them. That is the painful one. He said whether he called them, like really. But the time when you they go you not tell they say I beg I don't need your waweja I don't need your support. Now say me they do my thing. Person when I know if I maybe you want to do it, you want to put me for problem, or I not send and notice me 1 or 2 things, say you call us and say the thing and notice me, or you want to use and grow a page. You come and say, I beg. It's like when Kakabo and Africa Jamala said the one use me to shine inside this December, this year December. When they say Gladys saying go bring the record, can't give me, me go plan, me go fit a student. I can't get to say me not really they don't forget quarrel. Okay, now Mona tell her make he call me. I call and finish now. Another thing call they do. Now so return money. Now so Africa last thing what they tell say money when he collect for your picking, money when he collect for. I say since you say make I call you say you go give me the evidence, you don't come give me. So you not got to call they put me for me. They don't be me and you know what they settle. You know. I don't come at that time and say let today sound warning for both of you. Me I not hear my name for a mat again. When I not use me say settle the time when they do karika shop, no no say hand go meet you now. So I just come outside give them. Not you, not come my name, you not come my know ya. Mona two face myself. Now some person they do something. You all let people know say this one where they do so I not get her for inside though. You know, you understand my people. So now so they tell they do something when you good. Not after you don't do finish. Like for the movie now, after the movie now. Oh, I get on it. 1 million. If you ask the 1 million now, I get away. You not there with them again.
Everyone out there that does not understand
Mona,
what will get passed through. I wish you all good luck. I wish you all good luck. Maybe someday you may still realize, hey, what is
please share the video, guys. Please share this video. She the talk so quick.
Not like that. I wish you all good luck, my darling people. I am not here to condemn anybody. I am only coming here to say my own something. To ask for forgiveness coming from people that I have wronged already.
Yeah.
I have to say the way it is. Anything you like, you write on my video, it is none of my business. Those who really know what I am talking about, they feel the pains of Osaweni Gazowegi. So they know what I am talking about. Everyone out there that I have wronged all over the world, not even social media. People who is using eye to see it alone self. Many react to it. Many hates me with passion.
Yes,
many dislike me with passion.
Because the thing was too much.
I have to tell you my mind. I have to tell you my mind.
She just carry on for her. That time said, they come my people, me and person. That time said my people. She carried the matter and like na head she put on. She in the talk and then I say, you don't want to Paris matter and her head he put her, you know, put her for shoulder. The thing can't even they imagine many people say, which can you man baby this one? Really, the way she really talk and that's what she do at that time. Fly, not the fly past the yore, cockroach, not the past the yore. Nah, it be like a big wager. As a Kakabote be a big wager for African last lady when it beside the head. That was it all say whether insane or maybe a big wager for her. As a Lolekia still do. Now a big wager she be to yore that time. Really? Now so it really be. And because of this my friend the your like her the day together now she really carry the matter for when we say he fly your fly pass go if this one your pass bad this one your pass go so he can't make her offend many people like not be say both of them really get maybe as he still talk and so yeah people not really to get matter like that you understand so now the truth many people not really know what she go pass through no that can see read the tape or body share this video guys
and it's now I am getting my freedom take it or leave it it is now Osaweni Gazowegi is getting her freedom it is now my heart is now empty it was heavy before believe me from the bottom of my heart is empty already I am so grateful to God Almighty for giving me the strength.
Share this video, guys.
I will know why I give up. You know why I will. So I pray today, God is a God that keep me alive. May you never encounter what women as always this. Let me say foremost till now. So when you encounter it, I always say foremost. I know what I am talking about. When you encounter it, you may see
my big mommy she tried to apologize.
God in heaven.
Now for the carry shoulder.
Bless each and every one of you out there. While Nike Bebe Maya ni Rinwo Tago is one Iria Done Wagre. let me use English. So I don't think I normally use Benin sometimes, but this one let me use English because it's worldwide. This is not only just for only Benin alone. Even the English people that see the video of
guys.
the past, they were not really happy with me. Many are not happy. You may say they are happy. It is a lie.
Okay.
It is a lie. People that call me when these incidents happen, they are billions. They need me.
Hi, my big mommy.
Every minute, as I am talking to you, let me show you. For you to know, the other of my phone they are calling in is flat already. So when I get home now, I will put it on charger. Look at it. You see, it's off already because it's too much call. It's off already.
Can you imagine?
Everyone is saying, Queen, I forgive you.
Yeah.
But what you did, it was really bad. But I forgive you since you start preaching.
Now I still talk yours now. They come and people. Now I still talk yours now. Many people say when they follow you, they go kind of put for head. They don't know whether tomorrow Kasala go boss. They don't know whether next tomorrow something can happen. You know. Now that kind of people get free heart. Some people they go they follow you, they play the phone, say that they carry you higher. Everything about you, they go they gather now for hands. They go they gather now for hand. They go they gather now for hand. So that they don't know say play when they follow you, they play. Not be good play. They not say one day Kasala go boss when you go beat everybody go where everybody will be a father's name or carry a cross. So those kind of people, they're full of picking here, picking there. They will they gather now for hand. If you can't lose God, because they say you be person when you lose God, they will gather you for hands. Why be say many when they are playing with you with all their heart, everything they are doing is from the bottom of their heart. It's just as she talk and so. All her heart now she take follow Iyore one of Paris. You understand this life of 18, this wealth, money, I get this, I get that. You don't get where they carry person they go. You understand? Look at one of our musicians, South Sudan, when he late of recent now. What he do? Just throat cancer and he affect him when he take go So I don't say the reason why when you see person when he love you, when he did there for you, when he appreciate everything you are doing, he stand by you anytime, any day, you know, appreciate that person. Some people then at the day when you do for them and that day they don't know another day again. Oh, it don't finish. Like the way those evil now they do it for social media. And they don't get Lolekia Nekuemuna Shewo ni area. After they don't use people, they'll cut it in and they wise pass. They will still be the people when it be said they go want they bring people down, want they insult person, they throw word, give person. And that at the same time, they are nothing. They have nothing. Just for you, you just have your mind. Say, make I use my mind to follow this person. Now there be people when they put person for inside hands, they gather you for, they gather you for anything, we don't reach anything, they social media call blow and blow. Like say na no cats. They not go see reason. Anybody when you go do something, they not go even reason. Say, the time when me and I see day, if now let this thing when you do for me, that time I use and cover. Even if you want call spark, you'll see look and small, see break down small. See say, I better make a phone. That kind of person not be human being. Not be human being. Be like don't want Lolekia. Not be say really send them out. Now wait till all those ones see. Now wait till they find and they see. So, but at a time when somebody stand by you, there with you, as this very lady takes stand for her, he try. Where? When Asia, how many of them they do it for social media? River, when this one do you finish? You not get who we promote, not get who we help. At the end, they see come outside, they use it that say, I don't need your friendship. You can go away. I don't need your friendship. Can you imagine? So that kind of thing, you go call rich, because they use it direct, they talk for social media. That kind of thing, no, not childing something. Because they using direct, they throw max. You can forget what the person. I don't understand some people. Now I make I see for this no matter what it go happen, like the one that day they carry they go, me and Monica go. I see come at us say, even in Monica can be the bad person for this social media, and he come back, gonna go let her be like that. I can never betray her for anybody. Talking of where we me and her not even get anything when they quarrel, when they drag. And such people when they do all those things, they are evil. When they just sit down because of jealousy, those people jealousy and they worry, even though they still get heaven and earth, they are not contented with what they have. They not see they contented, they not dissatisfied for what they have. And many people there, I get this, I get that, I get this. Their mind, they don't see get rest of mind. Where are we carrying this life to? Where they go? Not be this kind of life will be at the end, even though person get on 200 houses. Can you sleep it in one day? Who sleep 2 room, 3 room before they break? That will not be madness, my people. Maybe they'll go to say, but this man not well, this woman not well. But at a time, you see, appreciate matters a lot. Not everything is not about money. No, everything is not all about money. But the way you appreciate people that really stand by you, it determines, and people out there will not see that, oh, this person really appreciates. Money is not everything. You can give person 10 million when it be said that 10 million did not come from the bottom of your heart. That 10 million, that person is not going to use it to do anything. It's like when these 2 people when it did Bible, what they call them, when they do sacrifice, what it be their name? Oh, I don't forget. Cain and Abel. Yes, Cain and Abel. When they go do sacrifice, now don't I'll tell you say God they exist. When Cain and Abel go do sacrifice, what it happen? Shebi Cain, the other one, Cain phone say he get everything. He phone say na he bring everything, come, na he buy everything. Abel no buy better thing. Na your prayer, na God go accept. I may not be so, but at a time the little one when Abel get when it come from the bottom of his heart, see now so the smoke go straight. It not burn. God accept wetin he bring up because while God don't go check his heart say he heart now he bring that thing. He not to get now this one when he gets now he bring up. You understand? So now so God tell they do now so it's supposed to be. Not by saying you give us the 10 million, give us the 20 million. That one me say now from the bottom of your. You can do it because of Popongada. You can do it because maybe people they talk say you get. You can do it because of say maybe people say you be better person. But the bottom of your heart, you know who you are. You see? You know who you are. That's the reason why you see some people that say, I help. When the help, when you help, it not come from your mind. How did you expect that person to use it to be a better person? That is the reason why you see some rich people today that say, you know how many times I don't help that person. You know how many times I don't help that person. Help when you help everyone, you know good. He not good. He not good. He not come from the heart. He all give you know some people there they want give you say I beg but your smile put take a dash you. That doesn't mean that it come from the bottom of that person's heart. At the end, what did you expect that person to do with it? It's nothing. But if it is 1 penny come from your heart, you say this person take. Definitely that person go get what he use and take do. That person go get what he use and take do. It be like when this what they call this our brother this all those musicians when they sing this what they call them Fino. When be say if papa not to get, if papa na manage they manage. But at a time when the pikin say papa he want do musical. Papa I been need small too. If papa not get, you know so one borrow. What he do? The only land when he get, he carry and he sell am. He give his son say take this money. This money now from the bottom of his heart he sell land he give you go make am. You know. At the end, you come, Shebi Fino remake am to today be say, if you see duplex when he built for papa and the mama, you say if you not go pass and finish a day. That is life. Now they go see some father maybe say they'll say because I give him 10 million, ask am money when I give him what to use on to. He not come from his heart. But belle now he take bring the money. How you take expect me that person fit take do one well? How you take expect make that pikin take use that money when he go take good? You go see some brothers or sisters. I help. Happy, you know you say, say no balue, good way not the person not the sleep rich gun. Say no balue, when go the pepper you for TOT, you there, you say, oh, since we not collect this kind of money for this person, you get peace. Since we can't say he help you, now at the end you don't get peace of mind. At the end, nothing comes out of it. It's like that. You understand, my people? This life now just say, we just coin just like market. Trade it and good name is better than riches. The white people when they talk like that doesn't mean say they don't know what that they do. Good name is better than riches. And the imagine some people, I do this one, I do that one, you not go hear what. That will not mean say you want help person, you help her. If you don't want your still help her, okay, carry your own, they go. And some people are full of doing that thing for this social media when they be say, Una go say they go say they help me and not say una me over say all of that they thought to come we get good one inside. But no, you put Monica down and you're a good lady, shine your shine. There are some people on this social media when it be say they will give you common food, they will use and laugh you. They go give you water, you give person food. You don't know say na shit you give and make it go throw away for you for toilet. They go get the please share this video, guys. They will get the person food. They will talk like the one where the movie you talk water. Tears come out from my eye. Boy, when you talk say na your godson, you call your eye, call it. That is that a bad thing? Evil people. You can't give her money, so okay, maybe you not get money. Can't tell you a problem. Say this thing I not get. You can't give her money. Does that suppose everybody should hear on social media? Now that one, God said when you use left hand to give, don't let right hand to know. Because when you use left hand to give, the right hand know. That good is totally rubbish. That good, you'll be like say you not do anything. Now be that one. You know you do better part because when you give with left hand, don't let right hand to know what to give to somebody. You understand? They will say they give, you give us money to chop, or now you they feed the person, or now you give them food, you call your house in shop. That one serious to talk. Now small children when they grow the contact and now they talk those things. It's not good for a grown-up adult person or grown-up mature man or woman to come outside and say you give person food shop or person they hungry, can't tell you say you don't get money to eat. You can't give and say take. Then all the whole platform, all the worldwide not come here. You not go rest. That one is not good. Well, okay, now people you come and make a thank you for the one when you do. That means you don't have trust in God. You give person, that means you still expecting somebody to give it back to you. Because when you do it from the bottom of your heart, now God will call replace that one for you. You understand? Now so that one, he come my house, he call shop. He come my house, I call carry cake, he call give you wife. When I reach their house, they not get food. Mumu, anything. Now I say when I do movie and the why they use their mouth, I say Jesus. You want to turn and say now you can. I not eat for yaso. I never eat for yaso. In your way go be a car anything. Every man one day man I get Tony. You know if my papa if you tell my papa say I eat for your house, myself I go tell your mama say you eat for my house. Now small old age, my yard do any bit every year now. You understand? When you say maybe your mother say no eat for this place or no eat for this place, you can't go there go hide it. Maybe your sister or your brother won't to use and threaten you. Say you say see it for so place now. Or that one will say, you come my house, come shop, and you follow me, drag my food. You see, all those one are small picky talk, not be grown up person, adult. Yeah, we moving. My Monica, happy birthday to you, Jare. We'll come wish you happy birthday very soon, Jare. That lady, my Monica, now person when he say he gets sense, Even worse pass that one say, no go tell you. I might work with you ever when and my money kind lads and I'll be making you for when you come out, catch up that day. Now be young time because in no weird anything. In no weird, don't a shameful talk. Una they laugh. Nah, una no, we out of all we do small picking. Why if you say you are going for person ask, maybe your man say no in for there, you go there, you go eat. That one go say, I go tell my mama say you come my house, call it. Did me say, I'll sit tell your papa say, you know, that one I ever egg book, and that small children, something. Small children, that time they no why Maria cannot wake by video. Person for your ass, maybe not to get. Person for her, that one not me say no go eat for your house tomorrow. Or you can't give person can't say, oh, as I just the hungry. I bet you sit 20 euro, give me for them. You can't narrate her. Mori eva ene sao bo me was I go ya in revival will be no you disgrace email. May God let me go for big party. For me to go back for come narrate me for social media and say hey, give me food shop. I go drink water sleep. Oh, please share this video, my people. Now they enjoy the topic. Not true to Isha. You better drink water because all by no for neko do alog work toilet tonight ya me egba mi na hia ya mi so papa drink and you call the drink for food when you call it egba magi o come by maybe why yeah one ko ni abibi egbe we wa bi is better than tomorrow my my belly go do ko move I'll put some for water I go drink and make it be like milk and honey for my mouth. Because when person go tell you something finish you can't go social media. Let me give my food on a massive shop or some wine. It's all. I go make me know we are going he and watch my people, Mona, yes, about that.
This morning, a lady say what touched my heart. so far.
I
will still explain it here. I am still going to go to that place and do it there. So this afternoon, a fan of Monica called to forgive me. He called me. He forgive me. He was really having grudges towards me.
Please share this video, guys.
He said, Queen, look at what you did, what you did, and I was really angry with you for. I have to apologize to her for her to forgive me. I know it's out of ignorance, stupidity. So, he called me and said, please. You love my talk. God bless you. Precious Iyobo. So Iyobo Saga Oga Lele we here we need Jesus. You understand?
Mocking somebody with food.
He was explaining to me.
No.
To the extent he wanted to follow me to buy things before. Because of my reaction. He tell her friend not to buy for me. And he also tell her said
my darling, you are welcome, Lulu.
Because of my stupidity. It is true. Many people are there that love what I am selling. Because of stupidity of Osawe Ngazowegi. They will say they will not buy.
Okay.
Believe me.
Share this video, guys.
Stupidity. Believe me. You may take it the way you reason it, the way you see it, the way you know this, not see it. It's none of my business. It is none of my business. But my mind,
share this video. Share this video.
So that I can have free life. You understand me? Because of my foolishness, my stupidity, and the way I do things then. Believe me from the bottom of my heart.
No, don't pass.
He was telling me he loved some clothes that I was selling. Because of that.
Thank you. Share this video, guys. Thank you.
My friend as well wants to buy as well. He said no. She don't like Osawe Megazowegi. I love people who say their mind. Not who is keeping it, using it to disturb someone. No. I love that kind of woman. That just goes straight to the point.
So that you will not hit the nail on the head. I beg.
So I apologize to her and tell her to forgive me. And it will never happen again. It will never happen again. Because that is not my calling. No, that is not how my parents brought me up. That is not how my parents brought me up.
Guys.
I am not
Show una hear wetin she talk. She said the lady called her and say, so you offend me. You do like this. What you really do me, touch me because of the way you say react and order. You understand? He apologized, say, beg, no verse, forgive her. You know, the lady said, see, forgive her. That is it. Now, so it's supposed to be. Not that you can they beat around the bush, they beat her. Nail in the head. You understand? Vera, looking take away this night. Thank you, no, thank you. You understand? Nail for head. Now, so me I be. He walk be one we wa una headed them, he walk tire phone never. You understand? The lady, you can see what you do, see what you do, see what you do. No? So that he go come out for my keeping it will not do any good and any help. So that he go come out for mine, so that you two go know where you for wrong and to apologize at the right time. That is it. They really do such. You talk and they tell us I better not it will happen again. That is it. Then we forgive and forget and now life goes on. You understand? Not be some people there you go offend they do muku like this in Bessel on the can go and glue. Umuku. And those kind of people. They're wicked. And say it. Let people understand. Do muku. Keep on. Now those people they gather and you got coke. They will gather like saying a popcorn. They gather like saying a popcorn. You got coke. You go but wagi coconut. You etta jamine na gbon na coke. You go but talk and let it free. Forget about the dirty comment you will have there. Forget about everybody cannot just like your talk sometimes. Just talk on. You understand? You understand me? They come.
I did not come to Europe to start considering news and follow.
They call you for here.
I came to Europe to do meaningful something with my life.
Mona pepper this idiot when they talk rubbish. Mona help me pepper.
That is that. My sister. I am still standing here pleading with you. I am so sorry. Forgive me the way everyone is reacting. Forgive me. I didn't know a lot of people were really, they dislike me with passion, even hate me with passion. Oh my goodness.
Mona Pepper this thing better.
You will turn to enemy of
share this video, guys.
When you did not use your wisdom, use your sense in whatever you are doing, you will turn yourself to the enemy of the whole world. So I am still going to stand here before everyone. Only person that's me say, hey, Vera talk show. Vera talk show. If person tell me say Vera talk show, go talk on my favor. I go say nala. Okay. Believe me. I go say nala. Me with a dusty quarter for matter will not be my own. Me with a dusty a face body for matter will not concern me. Will not be my issue. Will not be my issue.
Okay.
And everyone is angry. For God's sake, everyone is angry. You will not understand. Since 3 days now, since I am start doing this forgiveness, I am sleeping well. You will not understand.
Is it talk the truth? You understand? I mean, why one of the pepper all those idiots when they here. When I do video 3-4 days ago, I talk her. I say, me Anna, we not really sit down. I can't find a trouble when he take near me. Or he can't sit down, he can't find me trouble when I take near him. He not there. Suddenly I hear when they send the video, say, see what they go on for that side. Do you understand? So she still come outside, she still talk, and the way it really be, you know, cut come out, you know, add, you know, put my gain, not put salt. And that was what really happened. You understand? Me and I not really get matter. So people say, can imagine, say, wait till I say you can sign or say when you are so we're gonna say, I don't know, me, because they never hear a name from your mouth before.
So if somebody tell me, say, Vera Tosho goes talk on my favor like that. Even when she send me something, I come out to live video again to come and tell her I don't like her way. Can you imagine nonsense? And the person that I don't like her way, she is not talking on my favor. Can you imagine?
Me and I not get
she's not talking on my favor. Even he says she even mentioned one word that say, even though me with the were asking her question, it doesn't matter. Even though Sawe Megazowege, me and Sawe Megazowege is talking, or we are not talking, I have to say the truth. Oh my God. I was so touched. I was so touched. When she was saying this, I was really totally ashamed of myself. I was ashamed of myself. That's when I say me.
I don't get problem now. Just because of matter, it just like you know, just like this, as in just like when person go your hate person like not be say me and I get matter now, or maybe we get with a drag. You know there. Just because of person, somebody go your hate person like say this person get what he do, and when people go and say this person when you hate, what he can't do you nothing. Now so people go your hate you like say you are not get what you not the drag. When I will be not get what you not the drag. In fact, no never even throw words to each other, crow, or even the social media aspects. No, but because of somebody. Or because of one or two things when you happen, the person go your it be like when our no solo Africa, my people, may I give you one story. Please share this video, guys. It be like when no solo Africa, Mama Africa last lady, mother-in-law, Africa German last lady, when born Michael, Mama boy, that lady when they Italy. So you can't get matter when the matter they happen. He say. He don't know why. He say he just see me, you like me. He say he don't know why. That time he don't know. That time when me and the daughter-in-law, when we call the quarter. So he say the video, he go they watch the video. Sometimes they will send a come. He say the then again go send my video. He go say why you the no. He say he go they watch the video. Sometimes when be say when they call and they say that woman they hate me with passion. They do this right, but now he can say well, now call this person now with passion. What he can't do now? He said, I know they watch him again. Now he said, no time when me take the day live video on YouTube when she know they follow me. Really? All the video when you go see something, say this woman, you know, see one thing when he go tell your hater because you know the first one, he go the first one. He said he can call his son and the daughter say, yeah, this person one at the talk now. It may not be like that too. And the way they told this, I say, you ask your wife whether na he really go find this lady trouble. Because I see no reason why I they keep my niece or one or two things. When I go just send me a video and I say, don't do another video again. No, cause they said one time they were trying to push her out. Make she calls me for social media. Because say no, it no go fit. It no fit. He said now there the hatred come worst. Say why you no go join them? Okay, that means because they call their picking and it good. That means she they support. Now because say no. You know, everybody not be the same. There are some people, their mind, they quickly they cash out something. Why some people, when they like you, they like you. And some people, they be say, they don't hear them say, bad, they say, they just hate person. It's not good. Now that the woman can say, lie, he say, Asa, really, I can't keep her. The day when Africa last said, he can't really bring the word out on her platform, how they believe that woman. He said, don't want that. Now, you show a video, you don't watch. I don't know, say, now you go carry my secret, go tell her, back. She said that her mother-in-law can't tell. Now he carry her secret, can't tell me. Now they hear me so. He said now he carry her secret, can't tell me. Now when this African last take come out for live video, take measure and say no one that will be say anytime. You will follow her for a platform. You will watch her video. You will call the preach for us. That means now you can't even go. They tell our secrets. Now they are calling to say okay. That means what did this woman read? They talk now truth. You see. Even when I still told the woman against me, maybe that one you still hate me, or maybe that one you still see me, you still call the trauma, or maybe even say that one don't even start live video, they do long time, say if you even get Facebook or YouTube. If because they push that one across the mother-in-law, maybe that one call they pepper me, they throw it war for me. You know, there are some people like that, they're easy to use person head to fight. At the end, and at this same person, can go tell like this, say, I'm not saying you may you fight for me, oh. Man, why he said he wants to use her mother-in-law against me? And the same person, because the mother-in-law refused to fight me because of her. She now said, my mother-in-law called they give me her details. She can't say at the end, Kakaboko carry the matter put for egg like this. That time like this, they talking matter, you not talk say like this, I'm not saying you. Not knowing that because the mother-in-law not sign. Then like this, come begin carry the thing, everything put for her. Begin come to use something. Now still carry down. Okay, now we go jo who. You know we go when they be my man.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not the first one, sister.
Sorry, the way I react to you, the way I talk to you, the way I do things that is not, the way I react on that reaction was not really good. Believe me. It was not really good.
You see?
I was not
that
having
is
issue
human
with
being
it. When
for you.
somebody
Very,
come to
see,
ask me now, did you and Vera talk show have issue? I cannot say yes.
Okay.
Because there is no one.
No one.
There is no one.
Not there.
Also,
And she said the truth.
Mama
Now I
Maki,
tell like her.
we don't also have issue.
You understand?
Me with
Now I tell like her. She know. He said no. He said person ask her. Say this Vera you not get. He not there. He not there. You understand? Thank you, my darling. You understand? You are looking good, my sister. Thank you. Thank you. He not there, my people. Please share this video, guys. He not there. And she really said the truth. Me, I don't get any matter. But because so now they talk. Some people, they are like that. He not there. Me, I don't get anything when we say, we call the drag. Or me tell a bad word, you can't tell me. Or me, he tell me, can't tell her. As he talk and so on, so if I say, talk and 3 days ago, say, nothing, oh. Nothing. And she said she's surprised. Say me cut off for our favor. Really? I stand for the truth. Nothing but the truth. Please share this video, guys. I stand for the truth, nothing but the truth. I really talk on the way it be. I talk on the way it be. Of which people when watch me 3 days ago, they see saying the truth I talk. I don't lie, I don't add command, not subtract. Because really, she really fought for her. You understand? And I said to her, don't they sue, they fight for person. You know, so if they want to take care of your matter for it, they will use and take start their own. You understand? But anybody will can't get time for you when they do you appreciate that person. Even when the person said come be evil outside. Huh? You understand? She applied to many people, not only me. We have about 6 of us.
Believe me from the bottom of my heart. We don't have issue. It's everything is also a stupidity.
No cause yourself, my sister.
It's on my own mistake. For you not to get fall into what Osawe and Gaza will also a cancer. So this is It's so serious. Believe me. Mama Milaki, sorry the way I talk to you, the way I react to your own video.
Please share this video.
I even use an insult words. Yes, an insult words. So I am so sorry. Please, ma, forgive me.
We don't forgive you, Mommy Aki, Mommy Monica, all of you now. People wait there here. Mommy Monica, Ivie, me, Mama Boy, Enogie, and Okpaika. You see? Now the people when he say,
God will bless you, ma.
I forgive her. You understand? My darling. You are welcome, my darling. How you doing? Huh? That is life. Iyeki, that is our Iyeki, 1 billion. I beg. Tomorrow I beg you. No, I don't want to hear. We just did tell. I said tomorrow, no, the man, whatever, I'll do anyhow, I will see anyhow. Tomorrow is our Iyeki birthday. Bang, 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 bang.
Well, we are not quarreling. I am not going to go back to the past.
Okay.
No. I am still going to stand here and say sorry.
Yeah.
The way I
say sorry to Iyeki.
The way I talk to
Monica.
you, I know, yes, I was following you before I went to Nigeria. I was surprised the way you bring the video I went to go to farm, bring it out and say insulting me.
Now,
so that is why.
Apple.
For that, I am not going back to those. That one is past tense. I overreact, Monica, to you. Overreact.
Thank you, my darling, for telling her. Make she okay. They asked for the cream when I did use. Yeah.
I was reacting to it, reacting, not to let go. It was out of stupidity. Believe me, somebody also tell me that it was when you were talking yesterday, I was sharing tears. What you were saying, it was also the truth, nothing but the truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, so. Yeah.
So, you always did that video once. Believe me, I must say my truth, and the truth will always set me free. You did that video once, not twice, but once. But because the way you do it, I was so angry because I did not have issue with you before I went to Nigeria. So I surprised.
So she's apologizing to everybody. So for the cream, now the cream is this.
So angry, but
the number is here. So if you need it, add me on WhatsApp. Or if you need the number. Yeah.
So I am here standing before you, Monica, the big man.
They say sorry to everybody, and everybody when they apologize to her beg.
I am sorry.
Look for a place in your heart to forgive her. You know, nobody is above mistake. You understand? Because of person can mislead. Because of person can enter one chance.
I went to cemetery. I will clarify that here. And tomorrow I will also go that area, that direction. So I will show you the house and show you the cemetery. Okay. Not because of Monica I went to cemetery. No. Don't even go there.
You go cemetery. Not because of one person.
Not because of Monica. Yeah. I always sit down there. Even though when I go there tomorrow, you will see a lot of people sitting inside. It is down of my house. Like this building, and where I sit now is cemetery. I always sit down there because this one not be cemetery of Nigeria. Take it or leave it. This one not be cemetery.
You understand?
So Nigeria. No. People they see they will go, things go fall down, they'll see chopper.
Not mine now.
Take it or leave it. It is so neat, clean, and everything. This one not be cemetery where bone go full grand, Nigeria cemetery where bone go full grand.
Please share this video, guys. Please share, my lovely people. You know,
it's so clean.
So my people, come here and see person. So my beautiful people, they apologize to everybody. You know, they apologize to everybody. Please, guys, try to understand and forgive her. Me, I don't already forgive. No, me, I don't, you know, I bet more forgive her now. You know, you see talk and say now out of so and so. You understand? Because of person, sometimes person they mislead. Sometimes you can't do what you're not supposed to do because of person. Sometimes you want to please that person, or the way your mind just tell you, then you just go like that. You understand, my people? So as for me, I don't forgive her, though he still use the mouth take talk. And those people, when she herself still offend, she still talk say, you know, he do an excess, you know, it be like that. As I felt talking before, some people be like that. They all they do something, they just they do and they go, you know. Their mind not go even carry them go back. Say maybe this person when they fight for fee betray them tomorrow, or this person when they stand for fee chook am for their eye tomorrow, they not go think. And because now where their mind just carry them go, and of which he really stand with our real mind to really follow. We all see him now. Not the one that they deceive person. Please share this video, guys. Not the one that for the deceive person, not the one that for the pen person. Yeah, go here, open and go here, open and go here. Not at all, my darling people. Many of our eyes, we see it on media when it be say she really stand. You understand? She really stand. You understand? If anything called they happen, you'll still look. You know, some people they, if they do something, they know they reason back. And some of our men, some of our women still they do that thing. When it be say, if they do something, you no go reason back. You no go reason say, this one at the time when this person, even though you not talk and come outside yourself, in your heart, just still look and say, the time when this person know you're the bad finish. Now that they don't understand. You know, you don't see, just say that person bad though, that person bad though. So now that's why people go see and say, when this person for bad, see get way for see good one time. Oh, so people go see they don't see talking. But why some bad people they know they ever remain where person for remain bad where person for good. Now so where that person for bad, where that person for bad, where that person for bad. Now they talk like this imbecile Lolekia. A Lolekia man, you never agree where he for wrong. No, there are people like that. And they always draw for them because they be liar. They be people in an Algerian. All little when when she get bam, who they believe you, when they pray say, oh, that they believe you, one may not laugh your head though, because you know get mad, they deny. You understand? He go say everything at me, everything at this, everything at that. Oh, what Amy here? You know they get one way he say, go see say for here he see error. And pride spoil them. Like say tomorrow, not the such people they have pride. They get pride. Like say tomorrow, not day. They not go one here. Only down. Now they just know. You know, it's very bad. See, tomorrow now, they can't never accept when they say, everything they accuse, is he get one when he do, for where, everything, everything, now that one, he not do anyone. No, now now I see, now tell them, oh no, when you see such people, run away from them before you go lie for your head. Thank you.
No.
You understand?
I have to clarify that today. Every time, I always go there and sit down. That is okay. No more your mom. Now we spirit. Funny. I can't talk him. I will want to see a bone with Wakokako. Iwa in women, even Yahoo Sefi mega Julan and away. But in one time away, yeah, because they mean, I know why you body or man.
So you understand, my people? Because of Percy, the thing you are going to do what you're not supposed to. But only one thing I just love about her, she apologized. Thank you. So yeah, she apologized. I still beg people wanna still forgive her, wanna still forgive her. You understand? You understand? Because this life, some people bad, some people wicked. And such people when it be like that, life they hard them. You understand me? Only down, I don't know another person. It's not good. You understand? So at the time, she don't move on with her life, and she don't say make anybody know they mention her name for social platform. So all those one they called, more than not they mention her name again. He say not there on a group again, he not be that ministry again, he not there again. So they should let her be. You understand? They should let her be. They say when person go take call who they has when not go answer person. Better call who not they has. Because why you call not there go say, oh, this is this person there now, this one when you there now, you for not there like this. That to call there when you go keep you quick. You will call there you go do that, say not be you the call. Now that one can't pay pass. You understand? So my beautiful people, why they use this opportunity they talk, and I beg, if you get opportunity to help somebody, or maybe you see say person dey in one kind condition or one or two things, you be asada, you be friend, is your godfather, is your godson, or you are godmother, or you both are friend. Abeg, people still need to learn this thing. Abeg, anything wey you know say you do for person, no just come social media and come dey laugh that person. No, nothing pay reach that. You know, even when social media never come and say if you eat for person, yeah, say person you come go hear from another person mouth. You know how e dey be now. Talkers on social media nowadays wey be say their mouth no dey close when hater full everywhere. You know, that kind of thing not good. More they act my short to an extent, go say, this if they do it to me, go first me. If they do it to me, go pay me. Either good or bad. Especially in a presenter with the thoughts, because not be another person. Some presenter before when they take them for this social, because I call the hear one say they say she thought say now she they feed the queen, now she they give queen money, now she they give queen this, and she they feed them even when you know the seafood shop. Even though not get quarrel. I you know, last thing you go tell that person, if you say you borrow my cloth, you borrow my shoe, or you wear my cloth, that one is good. But wait till person if for belle wey don shit throw away when if you go find, you don't go even stand for toilet. You don't need to use it to laugh person, especially on media, because they talk. You know, good. That kind of thing not make sense. Many people want to do and now, Emma, if you know you are a presenter, you don't want to help. Forget, don't help. Not giving somebody food finish or give her money, say maybe you don't sit eat, you can't support and we say okay, he call you, he need your assistance, you assist him. At the end, na public for Congo they hear him. He not good. He not good at all because he not come for your mind. Now be that one. Even if you not get quarrel, when I settle one between, because I hear when they call the writer for our comment section, they call the toss okay. Since then, now he call they give him food. You understand? So I see when people they write they say if we talk on our platform, no say those comment and I know where they not they follow. She don't want to talk on our platform, say now they give you money, now they feed you. Wala ho. Especially money we do. All those kind of things no good. It doesn't make any sense. I beg. Either good or bad. The movie I 1 million and the movie I 1 million yahoo. Wait till the movie use 1 million to do. If na me I not go lie. That kind of thing go vex me. I don't feel follow you do something and then you carry 1 million go they give another person. Who is like monkey they walk by both the shop. That kind of thing not good because the time when they were attacking you, carrying you here and there, they below you for ground. They did there for you. I don't know why some people go there. Who you supposed to do good, not go do good for you. Come on, go they do good for not. Which kind of thing be that one self? That kind of is annoying. You if you carry 1 million, give you not do anything for you. What of focus stand with you when your ministry take grow? What of focus stand by you when your ministry can't move forward? What of that person? If you give that person 3 million rich, now me not don't work. Like my say, oh, more know truth they do. Una know me understand for now the truth of the matter they talk so. More know good they do. Nobody when that thing not go first. Either good or bad. Okay, person cause okay, now so you do this one, or I be they give her money, may take you fish, may take you something. You can't get to come outside with the fish and crayfish because they complain say, why they not tell me or matter the sigo, you know you have it. And that one pass is not up to how many months you carry 1 million, you first transfer 500,000. Which work? The Bofia cool the movie. Which work a demoking? What a demoking out nowhere? No where nobody 1 million. No na mun a demoking. What get a wese na wese? Isha. The movie this is the same person that make you go when you not fit step your leg into Benin kingdom, into Benin again. Non Nigeria into Benin. The monkey yon ziva bojo egbe. Il va ben woman viejo. Where viejo bien? Let to be frank as he say she cry who say now because of you na making no go fit enter Benin again. Una pa na de gbe mu go na mu no gbon abedio. Ne ba na kun emiji. Ese no balwe mete ni ja egui e mota no ro me e gwata we e mota no ro meta. That one na good way the purpose for nyash because you know me I know you either good or bad I not ask you money but at a time person when he help you feel come outside call the degree and say wait they you give am money you shop the money. Person when stand by you on your ministry you not come out ahead go give no we are una 1 million money. You see, come out in public, you transfer 500,000, you transfer 500,000. For what? Who do you go, man? If I were her, you will pay me. When I take stand with you, when I take help you, do I moe yaria? And she's a nice person. That is the reason why she wants to go like that. Because even pastors you see today, they join you to gather your church. They are sharing it. Pastor you see in Nigeria, when you go see that person go, they talk, they share car, they go, they invite people come. Let me tell you, they are two get banana, they get agreement. Agreement or waro, umari erai mu yaria. Isha. Let's say we don't see. If you be wife and the family, though you go to shop, though you invite people, they come, they invite people, they come, they invite people, come, they invite people, come. All the have money for offering. Who they give money for offering? You say now Jesus they want Martin when they go to give offering money. Who were worried Jesus? Jesus is Martin. I have give offering. They are sharing it. They will share them. The pastor of you be passing on sumo. They go share them. You understand? They go share them. If you don't give an honor, that day you go hear waiting the pastor and all of the east sleep. Even we are not in area. Wala. Not let another person will not help you build fans, build everywhere. Call they tell you, call they control you the way you tell rule your ministry or what you who you go treat right and who you don't go treat right. Even when not wrong. If you call yourself a leader, you're supposed to know how to tolerate everybody. Supposed to know how to tolerate even the daughter. A daughter, you're supposed to know how to put and say, this person was she was with me when all the scenario, all the wahala, all the bege, they happen. Compensate her. Because it's all this kind of thing. Now me, if I were you, it may now wear. The time I see all those matter what they happen, when you say, you call her, sister, where me no. If you give her that woman 1 million, all those matter no go happen. And all those indirect, they come from the bottom of your house, say, my sister, you don't, now this one be good when some people don't know how to do. You wake up, say, this my sister, don't try for me, sister. I love me. You gonna the account where me me you not go give me your account and one find small to put. You go see bell for account. What it be down? I just give you take. Do you think all those matter? You when you come from your heart, you use your heart, take give and something say take form of settle. You think say you go come outside, call they use the direct word of fish not rich or this one not rich. No, all those things will not happen because you don't call for your mind. Say let me just do this thing for this person. That thought not go come your mind again. That thought not go see come for our mind again. Someone I call the throw words, indirect words for each other. When I fit and no my time or we be na all more. You understand? Oh, they use it direct for we no say na they use it direct for now fight you they fear now. You understand? All those good things when they come when they dash you. Now some people go follow you share them. Some people they just mean that when they pretend say that they follow you. Hey. Go better my way. Let your friends say they go draw you bolua. You know some people their hair not correct, they wacko. They not go care what you want. Put your make sure I tell you, Asia. Oh, the year baby pastor Suleiman, this one that. When my me name we are. Now those ones said they not be they even follow the gather fast. They will carry allegation in when you not go fit deny. You not go fit deny. So she's a nice person. That is why she even want to let go. And if you settle her, there's one video she said it. If you give her 3 million, 5 million, you don't give her money self. You know, today now there are some people when you give them like that to climb up, so doing what fearful. Hey, let's know who we supposed to do good for. Don't go and do good for the wrong person. And not let anybody call tell you this one not good, this one not good. When the battle were in, where were those people? Now so waiting me, now so me I be. When me they suffer, you know they there for me. Me don't know whether you self see they exist. You know if you come because everywhere they're good. Data. Now doctor you call the carry up and down. Doctor where I'm gonna why this woman you call the driver and they go say she not be better person. That good about that lady try. She tried for you all those names so that one I'm winning here. You not to receive now because you know when something they pay is something the people they attack you. You they seal the help you they come out. They be like when they throw person arrow or they throw the thing they compare to the help you they use body they wager. You not go really know what that person passed through, and when you betray such person, it go pain and reach inside bone. That was what some people don't understand. When somebody stand with you, all the arrow you supposed to receive when you for go down, when people ready to bring you to square zero, somebody come outside down and pick all the insults. Tomorrow one person will come for corner, one call they claim the glory. I beg go, you know good. Because some people like to claim glory for where they did not work. One of those problems was coming. Now somebody help you. You understand? Or maybe I despoil your name or I the verse. No. A time. That time, because some people then in social media, they call themselves presenter. They are running away from the truth. They cannot say the truth. Man, and what I do, what I'm warrior, ni bunoro. There was one bend the matter. So I have a latter bombing like a baby elephant. Now shower does buggy. You go see come outside and you go see bend the matter. You go see bend or bend the head. I work a money here. Baby elephant that shower does buggy. You see come outside now. You go bend the matter outside down. How do you want the social media to have peace? How do you want the social media to one go see top people go see believe us? Why don't set up people that say, now she be bad person, now they could be bad person. Why you will not tolerate what she tolerates? Why you will not take the blow and the fight she collects? Oh, some people they don't want it sort, but they want claim glory for where they did not work. Yeah, money are salty, but they want you the lion's share. Like really? They're gonna dash you this one. You do better that I know how people take dash you something, how people take you this, how people take you that, how people take you this. My dear, everything they bring for me. Now she go fair be first. You understand? Because all those your many members they follow us when they follow person. I love you. I can die for your matter. Men want something shake you. You'll see that they'll run, leave you. In what you wear my way. Except the good one that really loves you for the bottom of their heart. That is, those ones will be the people that will really stand. You see, they will really be the one that will stand. Nibuye lekwa, iyarie, aba for you. They go run. Even that time they take carry your matter come. Ugbe. When they call the car call, they swear for your enemy. Many people don't run. Many people run away from you that time. We know. Nibu iyana they run. But she stands and say, not in the apple. More than not mind them. Not in the apple. You know, when somebody they stress, they see they give you mind. They see they tell you say not in the apple. Only that alone. You be a Ghana. Some people see. Ni boomia. No, like here that they see cut paper. You don't see who cost one for his house. The husband, Hovigbo, bulletproof jacket wearer. That one don't see wear jacket for his ass here. How much you want to console? Look, come put your head in my shoulder. Stop crying. Stop thinking. He not give her that space. As the letter receive letter, he heard all your body they hot. You know see who cause one. Don't you know this little hour is okay? Okay, take care of yourself. Don't worry, everything will be fine. You know what I'm saying? Nah, good thing. You understand? Your mind go see come up for there at that time. Loleki I don't see you. Igbo man not give a shoulder to cry or to line up. I don't go use bulletproof jacket, take cover for inside bed. Go. If you're hungry, you shot fence. He say he not concern. What is sister can do? Midnight sister come outside begin to tell. He no about talk even when a bike at the cause. I give you man, nothing they happen. Not be solution to, not be solution to, not be solution to. Sister no about talk. Boy, forget me. You know see many people not about talk for speaker that day. Where man me and the boom many no about come out for speaker and they go they tell you. This and I wait till you see pass down that day. You bang your shit. You messy through. Well, you know say if mess come up for nyash go ni sangi raw or lanta no lanta. If I was wise, many call they fear when they tell you haircut. Hello, come out. Is that speaker? I bet come out for speaker. Now they call both they call the give sister man say sister. Hey brother, UK manager. Not be UK with it. Not be the apple. Now they call both they give sister man sister one fed for them. Sister they do in fact in Nyash they hot for that share when they sit down. Oh my god. We are everything when they thought that they not here. Oh wow level. You they pass here they throw away. Everything now so said they will talk around. Before you go say the person don't cut cock. We were there that day now. Laugh one finish me. Before you go say the person don't cut lot and now they say you know where it might go. It might don't work. He don't hurt her, she don't hurt her. Oh, she don't. It might just they cry for them. Oh, who we want lay shoulder? No, who they here now? Nobody they here. Husband and not be husband. Husband not be husband to lay shoulder to cry. We go say, baby, clean your face up. Don't worry, I'm there for you. He not there. Social media people when you do the worst now, they call. Hello, come out for speaker, come out for speaker. The ladies and gentlemen, come out for speaker. No wahala. Na so he no go talk. Fear no go let her the throw one. Na tire o. Na so he if I lie right here. Now cause you wait say nothing dey happen, you be big man wife. Now so your husband get money go chest am. Now hey you come dey talk now say I go dey here till this video go end today. I just dey the now so dey relax now laugh one finish now so okay now. Man the worst part now na be na the man na even call me when he come make sure na the man dey there the thing sweet me now I say go. No wonder when he no both talk loleki adoreta one chance vehicle allow he enter please share this video guys share he enter now say that be na market senior now this one with the waist is now he say na the mama dede for social media just see color just give am hope nothing dey happen. Now the UK with dey now. Nothing dey happen. No fear. No fear. By Najena make you no fear join this one. You dey your house lie down. If you don't call the call finish, you call and say, I want monkey when I send you message before. You will put one leg for ceiling. You will put the other leg for there. You go sleep. Go carry fan near body. Sister not go gree sleep for night. You hear the time I say nothing dey happen. Nothing dey. And he don't know say. All those color where they call, so all those one, it don't work. All those one, it don't work. Please share, guys. It don't know, so all those one, it don't work. Ama wina, mona emi pepera, tina, wagume mwe bogbe. I don't get time for mona emi pepper that idiot. No, so they don't like truth. Now, if I lie, I don't sunwa. Not be so it happen for social media. If I lie, come tell Vera, say Vera, you are a liar. Come outside and tell me, say Vera, you are a liar. If I bofia kulolo, ni joua na e mumu. Shut up, you bijou, berak bijou. You go fia ku, fiwa bolelou. My boy fia kulele gbe, we ya fe, ni ma bofia ku wa bolelou. Did I lie, my people? Is that not what you say? Not be so you tell me the call that day where everybody were there. Hello. Come out for speaker. Come out. Every people when they call, even say now only two both talk for speaker. The rest people now here put phone. Now here now they put the phone, not put our speaker. I want to talk to you. They don't fear me. They not go even record their voice. I'll go hold them for us. Yeah, you got the whole organic poto. Me no tell say na. I should be tell no say na organic poto daddy. Me makamu wa a broadcast lady, broadcaster say. When I tell no say na organic poto daddy, we ma go it. I should be when the court paper because it's not see money take carry lawyer. Now make well. If I see some people for social media they make math. She will not begging, please, Babi, I like how they do the worst step, Babi, I can't call the waka for social media. They call get that leg and wings when they cut they fly. People, please. I need money. Can I pay here? Now what is sister account call they do for outside? Paper card come outside. Real account come outside. Bogo account only you one. No jigbu white TOT. Welly TOT. You will hear na the welly. If I bought fear cool, they want to say Vera. I don't get I do Vera. When mommy and when women. Not a bring over. Yeah, I can't get with because they fly. Can I pay here, please? Can you put something in my paper card or my master card or my Bogo account? Now, so he fly, he account all of the call they fly for social media. This is the same person that said, no, my account. Have you ever seen it on media? When they buy me iPhone 12, did you people see my account? Did I beg any people? Did it? At the end, we now surprise how your account were now running and scatter on social media. I can't wanna why me on why belly can social media. I don't belly can. You understand? Why am I saying this? She didn't see anybody to lay her shoulder, lie, make it cry, put. The man, Lolekia man did not give her attention. Amari attention, make it cry for his shoulder. He rejected, tell and say, I beg, carry your head face where you're red for black. Now, what did Boma do Lolekia? And why did she still crying till today? Because the man not the minor. So he not get better happy marriage. People that have happy marriage don't come outside to complain. People that when they happy for their marriage, they know they come outside because they say, my marriage is the best. My marriage is 100%. People when really they enjoy marriage, they're not the talker. You see this Lolekia when man not even know whether they exist. When she they cry, put it tomorrow, when jealousy they worry. If man don't know whether they exist now, the day when the man go show face, he go first go bribe the man first. First go buy drink. You know see buy drink that day, the man they follow the dragon for live video. Una not the meaning why the man they follow the dragon. Now be you say this drink now me you buy it for yourself. Nah, showcase you want to use and showcase. You give me make a open now. They are to begin to drag one drink for one my meal. I never see him. I never see him. They are to come begin to drag it. That day when he say Izobo do this, Izobo do this, Izobo do that. Izobo, when I got me reject, Izobo don't do. Eh, pay the follow the drag. You bring down. Me, hold this my cringe, Ari. Like they dance. Yeah, they dance. Hey, man, I can't me happy. Oh, man, I can't me happy. Now the man fell look on like this. And the man look at you know say the man don't look at camera people. Now people quickly good people when he good. Now they quickly screenshot that play when the man take look at. Ah, how be this one? It's not be me go come. Not be drink when you buy. Not be me come. Hey, back on the way say, ah, this drink Lole cannot be me you buy am for. Lole can you open drink now? Lole cannot do open drink. You give me drink make I open, but Lole cannot give a bad drink make you open. Now they are to call the dragger. Wait. You know which kind husband and wife be this one they drag drink? They don't turn Esther and Jerry. When the man go drink finish, the man go no see sure when he do my neck. He go build duplex. Esther go say you wait. They are two call they do comedy. If I remember that video. Oh my belly. I'll fall for God one first. The man Esther man you they talk spit you they throw away. The spit you they throw away. They be like bueno. Let me talk now. Let me talk. Esther they say you suffering now. You don't wish me. No matter whether they talk. I don't want your case. The woman they say I don't want your case. I don't want your case. The man they say look chair with them my leg. This chair go play. You get her. You got money. And the one they say they don't get money now. Oh God, that video I'll go find her. He went to the drug camera come up with the man they talk split you the attack camera you the attack phone. Oh no way person don't drink now. You the drug the phone they come. You drink. Don't matter. They know how much I to buy this go. They don't know how many duplex I get. The way I say, nah, me not the one they showcase. This shit where you all do my neck like this. Not be small money, my people. I don't want the chokers, not beside the chokers. I just want. Husband and wife, you got the drive camera. Husband and wife, you got the drive for the man. They do like this. You wait now. Let me show that the show. You don't see the show. You don't know how much I talk about this. This show it go build duplex. Oh, what man going to have the show now? Esther will say, you wait now. You wait. That day, I want the video finish. I want peace for body. I say, Jesus Christ. Which kind of couple be this one? When I go share the comment, they say the COVID-19 was a couple. I mean the drunkard couple in your social media. Laugh one people. Now I say these people that always laugh taking me. Only the comments you go wrong come up with they say Jesus. One say which kind you man be all those one? Which kind people be this one? The man. I said Esther come Esther come the shift camera. Before the video come finish, Esther come dress the camera and go inside. Make the man of not on the my shame. He salo boame. They na queen na. Now that go come and say, my love yours, my love baby. We do love ourselves. They are two now the busted drunker. Ologogoro. if that na vodka, yeah, one with vodka, and you telling me the man or one you call the man voice go call chill. Yes, I will call it on. Even now you the man so when one you don't see drink again. You are born regular. The time I tell you say I drink. If I drink, go. Only one you the shots. We mag get to no one. Ologogoro. Oga you want to attend the mak po. First way if you drink finish it, he carry picky head. You don't know say na picky. Ona dey call lele. Ona bia. Okay, girl, are you an animal? Are you an animal? Are you an animal? I hate you. It's okay. No, I buy you one. It's okay. No, I buy you one. It's okay. Now today, you come up for this house. So now be. Una be big here now. Come up for this house. It's okay. Who I want me to work by one. He's no. Commenting while I book my man. Una we don't tire for now too. Now you go see come on. We love each other. The man will say, we do love each other. And jealousy. And who want jealousy? The worst drug car couple on social media. And your jealousy, one or two don't drink finish for one to go sleep. There are two, the woman will say, may I do greet my people now, my people. I don't know me now, my people, I don't fight trouble, my people. My people, no time when baby elephant they fight trouble. Oh, no. Now, in fact, now only marry you for your breed. If you don't drink, now you call it my people. And that's how we want trouble, my people. Boy, you know where we go. You know where we go. Hello.
Careful. My yesterday we pay show. We pay show yesterday. Esther we are we pay show. I pay Nena.
Either them you go when they go.
I pay ne. We patient yesterday. We got careful.
Okay. Esther, why you now with patient? I don't have to me say da. Nobody go buy ticket. Nobody go buy. Okay. We'll go break aside mirror for them. Why you side mirror? No, I will come pay show.
More 30 when we pay show yesterday. We see Esther way in our pay show you go. We have me say 200 more. 200 people more. More 30. Mane supporter, mane mama to go with the pay show resta.
No wahala.
Eno beya mwe ya gba isakwa we Nigeria. Kiye komo. Eno beya mwe la we bona gba isakwa.
Wa ogwera yo guje.
Two pikin, two papa. Imadoka we pay show.
Okay. All that phone.
Two pikin, two papa.
Hey, the man see cara for Jamaica go drop her for a papa and mama house. What says shame and disgrace on level. Ma we po show, where say my darling. Now I be side mirror. Bune zabo here fe. Gag. Baby elephant when I tell people buy ticket you know what I want to tell you? They say, I don't shout, they don't agree subscribe. But they don't agree subscribe. I don't shout. I shout now, I'm tired. Okay, this nothing on Facebook, more on Facebook. Oh, they talk, they bear mad for this social media. Yeah, go inside mirror, yeah, boon with Ghani. Worry. Your wait, yeah, boon with side. I gun, no can be gone. Yeah, where side mirror with patient one. This you cut it talk. Oh, people, I know what you better do me for patient. Oh, how I give out any other tickets. I feel like, say people come in and come buy my ticket, man, I want to do patient. Yeah, it's a bue. Immediately you click the video like this, you watch. Your nuts will be pure. Yeah. You will be the second person where go shoot, toilet go full. we my me where is a one bisa see we beg Jeremy. Oh yeah, go life you want bro. What if I come from my one bodro? Welcome. You know say that man not sabi talk. You know say well if they talk boy mad go wild. Me mind why ya kiss here tene. Who was say ya kiss here? Baby elephant. Who was say ya kiss here we be jeru no jeru e man no gwaje. Oh where around big go na then no ya compatible. Jerry mad na ye wide rich. How na cut the pull mat so no. Your mad na dey be my people. My people, I got very trouble. You got boy. Oh God. Hey, if Jerry not hold you like this, they find where you for lost. Who again me? You boy. Person when you say come and pay show said that one you go before you go flog that person for us. You don't know why he send you the video because immediately you click on like this. You will find who you know say you not young now. Who can what do you fall for grant. You see now water or pepper I have to you over. When my name is who want you to do patient. Where go one here before you talk say my people not a river trouble. Before you thought that one finish, people patients are running out. A very not guy we are with patient. No your bother, nobody go buy ticket before. Because people don't know. My people, I don't know conquer to my YouTube channel. Conquer. Area ya take your care be abi subscribe. Una wa ko de wa he we gele wa hia le social media ya. Conquer. I don't shout me the conquer. They not give. I am subscribing weji. Who want subscribe for you baby elephant? I can subscribe you where no gia. I am subscribing where baby elephant. Before you go your burn mat finish, people 3 people come pay show. 3 people come pay show. Before you go to my people, my people no matter what they come here today, my people not try at all. I want to pay show my people. Now so responsible people take it off on social media. You know the size word they fall for our mat go make tight. Yo, before you do my people, why your mat they bend? Have you ever come and tell us why your mat is bending? You never tell us why your mat they bend. Eh? My people. Egian better we egian we who we better we vonisa. Wa zaka me we ayaku. That mean what they play. All life I don't feel break your side mirror. Make Jerry carry you. They find you where you lost. Can you reach? Where they get me? Yeah, he break your side mirror. Yeah, he break you way. Easy me. You don't feel the command out the dozen my people. I not video. I really what they are doing now. Now so you know say now so you be. No, you know they get what you do person. Oh, baby elephant. Smelly obo, smelly udi. You know they ever get what you do person. Oh, awa. In fact, it too decent. You know they ever get what you do person. I have to draw my people. No, no way trouble, my people. I have to draw my people. Like they all can't find me trouble. You gonna do it like this. I put no bob no where. E responsible. Even small people go also to go make. That's how I do that. My people, I don't try to do that person. He can't find me trouble. I can't talk. I don't know my people. Erie my yagwa. Why what binubu ubi because my people. Mona see what he go by we say they do running. Baby elephant, your body, you do running one day, now he run. He no both do am, got a woo. If they do that, they bema. He no easy. I can't where my kind of my easy, where they are then, where my kind of my easy. You know, fair no say no easy before you go by. Mona see Esther, baby elephant, you want me to do peso? Confirm, banga, wamo lawyer. I beg. Mona ready. One go finish baby elephant. Go do pay show. Mo say I will take do pay show. Me I check whether I will get time. We really do one. Baby elephant, why is me do pay show? Hey, yeah. Now your husband, your son, now still pay the money. Why have one wash you? Now you still pay. Now you bring the people when you pay. Now you, your man, your son, now I want to wash the patient. Which responsible one want to wash your patient? You talk. Make bad no way. Talk not the correct for your mouth. Now me you want to do patient. If I not fit break your side mirror, then when you wear khaki not be leather. When you wear khaki not be leather. So guys, so now so my beautiful people, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So we're about to run out. Please share this video and share. And please, today is your first time. Please don't fail to like this page. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vera Television Program. Why this page is Vera TV Program. So this one are the cream. Oh, if you need them, I don't they use for inside they go. So this one are the cream. If you need them, tell me. Make I send you the number on WhatsApp, then you can call the lady. Very good organic cream. Now 10 B. It is now set 10. So if you need that, you will call like the skin when you get dry skin or oil skin. Dry skin or oil skin, then you will tell you the one way you want to. You understand? So now tomorrow be my Monica birthday, guys. My lovely people. Someone get ready, my people. Yes, so tomorrow, just few hours from now. Yes, just few hours from now, guys. Yes, my people, just few hours from now, my people. My Monica birthday is tomorrow. Yes, my beautiful people. Mona wish I'm happy birthday. Will they come again? Yes, so maybe later, we never know. Maybe tonight, we'll do birthday. We'll congratulate. We'll do birthday song for her. Then tomorrow na Ogmonge day when the BC will get for her. Our big lady Shine Your Shine, the leader of GPC group. Our great mommy, our good mommy, our Ogmonge lady when the BC as a day with her good mind and clean heart. We still need to celebrate her on her birthday. Celebrate with her. No, happy with her. You understand, my beautiful people? So please, guys, don't fail. Tomorrow is 15th. From this night up, just from a few hours from now till the birthday, say exactly, don't put the time and everything, 5 o'clock tomorrow. So everywhere with the zobobo, guys. So let's get ready for her. So I thank you now so much. I appreciate you and God bless you all. So I want round up. So God bless you all. Thank you for listening. Thank you for following. Thank you for coming for today. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate you all. God will continue to bless you all. Thank you. Bye.
Mommy,